11 DIY ways to decorate with string lights all year. Who says string lights can only be used with green garlands at Christmas time? This beautiful fall display was simply created with fallen leaves that were dried and pressed, then clipped onto a string of lights. Another great way to utilize string lights in the fall is to have them stand in for the candles in hollowed-out pumpkins. Several of these luminaries would make a gorgeous autumn display on a porch or fall mantle. Typographic art is certainly popular, and lately, marquee letters and signs are quite trendy. It's easy to see your name in lights with just some basic craft supplies and light strands. As winter approaches and the days get shorter, nightlights come in handy when the sun goes down. This clever idea utilizes an upcycled window, some bare twigs, and a string of lights to make a unique piece of wall art that mimics the look of a wintry scene, and also illuminates a dark hallway. Here's another way to make a nightlight using a string of lights. Using LED lights to replace the stuffing in a stuffed animal is one bright idea for a baby's nursery or a child's room. Strings of lights are ubiquitous with the holidays, but here's a unique way to use them. The colors in this DIY wall art created with glitter and fairy lights is neutral enough to keep up from Thanksgiving to New Year's, yet still adds a lot of sparkle to your home for the holidays. In warmer months, string lights are often used to light up outdoor spaces such as patios and decks for dining al fresco. But instead of just stringing them up in the usual fashion, try making these light globes to hang overhead in the trees instead. The soft glow of string lights is perfect for bedrooms, but they can look messy if not hung with at least a little planning. These strands are hung from a cloud above the bed and have stars around the bulbs, creating a charming look day and night. Making shades for each bulb on a strand of lights cleverly disguises the bulbs so that they look just as pretty unlit as they do lit. Use these lights in a child's room, for parties, or over a desk for a fun way to light your workspace. Display your photos, small art prints, or your child's artwork clothesline style with a strand of lights. This kind of display is great for home offices, playrooms, or other casual spots in your home. For a more grown-up look, use a strand of lights with large bulbs to highlight the art on a gallery wall, giving it an urban, sophisticated feel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.